Friends, this is PSC Support NP channel. आजको भिडियोमा हामी तपाईलाई एउटा नयाँ कन्टेन्ट लिएर आएका छौं। यो अगाडि थियो कम्प्युटर सफ्टवेयर एन्ड इट्स टाइप्स थियो यो भन्दा अगाडिको भिडियोमा। नेक्स्ट अब हामी भिडियो लिएर आउँदै छौं। व्हाट इज अपरेटिङ सिस्टम, द फंक्सन अफ अपरेटिङ सिस्टम को बारेमा छ। यस बारेमा छ भिडियो पुरा अन्तिमसम्म नछुटाइकन हेर्नु होला र च्यानलमा विभिन्न किसिमका बैंकिङ एक्जाम प्रिपरेसन, लोकसेवा आयोग एक्जाम प्रिपरेसन लगायत विभिन्न किसिमका नोट्सहरु, टिप्सहरु, इन्फर्मेटिभ भिडियोहरु छन्, तपाई हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। र सुरु गर्न चाहन्छु आजको टपिक तर्फ। व्हाट इज अपरेटिङ सिस्टम, राइट द फंक्सन अफ अपरेटिङ सिस्टम्स के हो यस बारेमा छ। विभिन्न बैंकिङ एक्जामिनेसनको लागि दोहोरिरहने repetitive questionमा पर्छ यो। An operating system is a software which acts as an interface between the end user and computer hardware. Every computer must have at least one OS to run other programs. An application like Chrome, MS Word, games, etc. need some environment in which it will run and perform its tasks. It is a powerful and usually large programs that control and manage the hardware and other software on a computer. The OS helps to communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak the computer's language. It is not possible for the user to use any computer or mobile device without having an operating system. Function of operating systems. के छ operating system को functions हरुमा? In an operating system, software performs each of the functions. One is of process management. Process management helps to OS to create and delete processes. It also provides mechanism for synchronization and communication among processes. दुई मा छ memory management. Memory management modules performs the tasks of allocation and deallocation of memory space to programs in need of the resources. तीन मा छ file management. It manages all the file-related activities such as organization, storage, retrieval, naming, sharing, and protection of files. 4 मा छ device management. Device management keeps tracks of all devices. This model also responsible for this task is known as the I/O controller. It also performs the tasks of allocation and deallocation of the devices. 5 मा छ I/O system management. One of the main objectives of OS is to hide the peculiarities of that hardware device from the users. 6 मा छ secondary storage management. System have several levels of storage which includes primary storage, secondary storage, and cache storage. Instruction and data must be stored in the primary or cache so that a running program can reference it. 7 मा छ security. Security models protects the data and information of computer system against malware, threat, and unauthorized access. 8 मा छ command interpretation. This model is interpreting commands given by an acting system resources to process that commands. Networking. A distributed system is a group of processors which do not share memory, hardware, devices, or a clock. The processors communicate with one another through the network. 10 मा छ job accounting, keeping track of time and resources used by various jobs and users. 11 मा communication management, coordination and assignment of compilers, interpreters, and other software resources of various users of computer system. It is functions of operating system, also types of operating system मा. An operating system is a software that acts as an interface between computer hardware components and the users. Every computer system must have at least one operating system to run other programs. Application like browser, MS Office, Notepad, games, etc. need some environment to run and perform its tasks. Different types are on the basis of user interface मा CUI, character user interface. यसमा चाहिँ the CUI operating system is a text-based operating system which is used for interacting with software or files by typing commands to perform specific tasks. The command line operating system uses only the keyboard to enter the commands. For example, DOS, PC DOS चाहिँ character user interface हो। अर्को छ GUI, graphical user interface, a graphical based operating system interface that uses icon menu and mouse to click the icon to pull down the menus to manage interaction with the system. Developed by Xerox, the GUI was popularized by the Apple Macintosh in 1980. For example, Windows OS, Android, etc. is a GUI भयो. On the basis of mode of usage, single user OS यसमा चाहिँ an operating system that allows single user to perform only tasks at a time is called single user tasking operating system. Function like printing documents, downloading image, etc. Sequentially हुन्छ. Can be performed only at a time हुन्छ. For example, MS-DOS, Palm OS, etc. अर्को छ multi-user OS मा चाहिँ a multi-user operating system is a computer operating system which allows multiple users to access the single system. With one operating system on it, it is generally used on large mainframe computers, for example Linux, Unix, Windows 2000, Ubuntu, Mac OS, etc. In the multi-user operating system, different users connected at different terminals, and we can access these users through the networks connection. On the basis of processing, batch processing system, multitasking, time sharing OS, multiprocessing OS, real-time OS, distributed OS, network OS, मोबाइल ओएस भनेर छ। यसको चाहिँ नेक्स्ट भिडियोमा चर्चा गर्नेछौँ। तबसम्मको लागि च्यानललाई हेर्नु होला, लाइक सेयर गर्न नभुल्नु होला। विभिन्न नोट्सहरू छन् अलरेडी अभाइलेबल, तपाईँ हेर्नु होला, ट्राई गर्नु होला। धन्यवाद।